What's up guys, it's Pete. The C6500 is one of my favorite printers from Epson because everything that comes out of this printer is beautiful. And it can print up to 1200 dpi. Eventually, when you're printing as much as we do, you're going to have to replace the ink. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace an ink cartridge on the C6500 color label printer. Let's get started. The frequency at which you need to replace the ink cartridge on the C6500 is heavily dependent on what you're printing and how often you're printing it. Fortunately for us, we don't have to figure out when to replace the ink because the printer will do that for us. The C6500 has a beautiful full color display that'll tell you exactly when the ink has run out and when you need to replace it. It'll also give you a warning when the ink is about to run out, but you want to make sure that it's actually telling you to replace the ink before you do it, otherwise you'll be wasting ink. The process of replacing the ink cartridge is in itself pretty easy. We have a panel over here that hides the magenta and black ink cartridges, and we have another one on this side that hides cyan and yellow. Since the yellow ink cartridge is the one we need to replace, we're going to take our new ink cartridge, open it up, and remove the packaging. All you need to do to remove the old ink cartridge is push down on this blue tab and slide the cartridge out. I like to put the old cartridge inside of the box from our new cartridge to prevent ink splatter when throwing it away. Now installing the new cartridge is just as easy. Make sure that your ink outlet and sensor are facing in towards the printer, and your part number and color identification letter are facing upright and out. Position the cartridge like you were sliding the old one out and just push it in until that blue lever clicks. Now it's locked into place and ready to go. You can close up the ink cover and your printer will begin to go through maintenance. Your printer will go into maintenance mode for a few moments. All this is the printer pushing the ink up through the tubes to the print head, so your next print is just as seamless as your last. Make sure you unpause your printer when it's done, and you're ready to get printing again. If you're running low on ink, maintenance boxes, or labels, you can always head to www.infinitylabelgroup.com and check out our store. We carry everything you could need for the Epson ColorWorks series of printers and many others. If you need help or have any questions, contact us at www.ipsiscan.com. That's IPSiscan.com. This has been Pete. I'll see you next time.